In previous chapters, we covered how you can write task actions in task types that perform the work. Gradle provides simpler ways to define actions in the task configuration, which are recommended to use only for simple operations. In this chapter, we will go over how to do this. Sometimes you may encounter tasks with a section called either doFirst or doLast. These allow you to have additional actions than that provided by the task type. Let's see this in action. Let's modify our hello task by adding a doFirst and a doLast. Let's put some print statements in these. The statements in doFirst and doLast will be run during the execution phase, just like the action in the hello task type. However, the doFirst will be executed before the action of the hello task type, and the doLast will be executed after the action of the hello task type. When we run the hello task, we can see during the execution phase, the doFirst ran first, causing the print statements from there to show up first. Then the task type action ran, causing its print statements to show up. And then finally, the doLast ran, causing its print statement to show up. The doFirst and doLast allow you to run some additional actions before or after the task type action. It is recommended not to do complex operations in these. If you find that you need to add complex behaviors, they should go in the task type action.